Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I leave for vacation in 2 days and I still have yet to pack. So today I'm just going to buckle down and get everything done. I've been buying little sample size items just so I won't have to do it when vacation comes. So that's gonna come in handy. And I've also been putting little outfits to the side just so I won't end up 2 days before and have nothing done. So although I'm not packed, I have an idea. It's not gonna take me long. And as far as traveling, I'm not gonna check a bag and I'm also not gonna have a carry-on bag. I'm just going to use my gym bag to travel with. This is just a personal size bag that they allow or linked online. This bag will be fine. I'm only going for 2 days. I'm leaving Friday and then I'll be back by Monday morning. So I really don't need a whole lot of stuff and I just feel like I'll get away with this. This is my starter trip. Like this is the first trip of the season, so I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money. I want to do it as cheap as possible, and then the next trip or other trips I'll expand my budget some. But for right now, I just want to take it slow, easy. I'm traveling alone, so I want to be as light as possible. I don't have a whole lot of expenses because I usually go to wax in the city, but since I hadn't been in 6 months, they gave me a free wax just to get my business back. So I took care of all of the bikini area, so I don't have to worry about that. And my underarms, they're not that bad because I did get it done maybe like a week ago. So I'm just gonna get some Nair to do that. And then the same thing with my legs, it's not that bad. So I'll just spend $5 on some Nair and take care of that. Keep costs as low as possible. I'm not doing any shopping for the trip. Like I said, this is the first trip, so I'm gonna keep costs as low as possible. And since I've been shopping for swimsuits and sandals and just so much stuff already, and I have stuff in my closet that I haven't even worn yet, I'm just gonna put all of that out of the closet and pack it up. The only thing I'm really stressing about is one, my skin is kind of acting a fool, which is why I don't have on makeup right now. So I'm gonna do a mask on my face because I do want to wear makeup on a trip. And then the other thing is my hair. I know for a fact that I don't want to do my real hair just because I don't want to spend 2 hours every morning on the trip just trying to make me look presentable. It's too high maintenance. And I also don't want to do the wig because I plan on doing a lot of water sports and activities and I don't want to see my wig float in the ocean. I want to do braids, but I don't want to have to worry about heavy braids while I'm in water. Because sometimes when water fills those braids, it makes it heavy and it feels like you got a ton on top of your head. And since I'm gonna be in a lot of water, I don't know if I wanna deal with that. I do have 2 bags of Expression pre-stretched hair that I found underneath my sink, so I think I'm gonna use this. The color is 1B33, so I'm really hoping this look okay on me. But I don't wanna spend any money on hair, so I'm gonna see if I can make that work. Hopefully it's enough, because if not, I'm gonna have to go and buy some, which won't be that big of an issue, but I think I want to do like a blunt bob braid situation. That way, less time, is not as heavy on my scalp, and I think it would be cute, a cute little aesthetic look for my first trip. Okay, so I just finished my braids. I really don't care for how it thins out on the ends. So I think I'm just gonna cut it and definitely do the short look. I really want to do this style, but I'm not sure if the back of my hair is short enough, and I'm definitely not gonna cut my hair. I wish I had used different kinds of hair because this hair naturally thinned out on the ends. But since this was my trial vacation, I just figured I would use it. It's amazing how I can hear that plane and it literally feels like it's flying above my house. But anyway. So we're gonna see how it looks when I cut it. I ran to the hair store just to get some rubber bands because I noticed she had rubber bands on the ends. I picked up some new scrunchies just because I needed some anyway. And I got the little beads to put on them, give them more character. And then I also got these ponytail elastics, but they're the tiny little scrunchies. They're so cute. But I'm not sure if I want to use the regular rubber bands or if I want to use these. They're so adorable. I love stuff. I'm such a stuff girl. Okay, I'm definitely just going to use the regular rubber bands just because they work. And then I'll just save the cute little scrunchies for something else or another time. It's not bad though. I kind of like it like this. Like it like this. Yeah, I like it like this. It looked like a cute little bob. Y'all see the vision? So it may end up working out better. Wait for you. Early in the morning. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will. And here is the final look. I will wait for you. Whenever I found time, it's so. Okay, so I just finished doing my hair and I am so proud of them. They don't look the best, they don't look professional, but I did them myself and I did them fast, so I'm proud of them. Plus, I'm only wearing them for a couple days just for the vacation, and I'm gonna take them right out. So, yeah, this is how they look. Cute little bob. Don't look at the back too much though, because I couldn't see back there. But I'm so proud of them. The first thing I picked up was a bikini. Well, not picked up. By picked up, I mean outside of my closet. I have this tan and brown swimsuit with a little jewel in the middle of it. And then the same pants, not pants, but bikini bottoms. And the back is just brown. But I have this, and the cover up I have with it is going to be this one. Tie in the back, brown, tan, so cute. I showed this in my Shein vacation haul, but this is the first swimwear I have. And then the second one is just the black one. I feel like I had to just get a black one, so I got this. Yeah, it just looks like this little pattern on it. I brought this in Miami. And then I have the high waist bottoms. But when I eat, I can have, you know, more forgiving ones. And then for the cover up, I just have this green one. Since it is, you know, springtime, I wanted to pull out a little green. So I just have this green one to go underneath here. And then I picked up these tailored pants. And I'm probably gonna honestly throw this shirt in the washing machine and just put these tailored pants on with this shirt. Because I love this shirt and those pants are gonna go so perfect with it. And then the next thing I packed was this pink onesie, strapless. Has a little V in the front of it. And they are pants. So I have this. It's so bright and it's perfect for vacation. And then next I have some long pants, these striped pants. They're wide leg and they go all the way down. Then I just have on a black crop top long sleeve just in case it gets a little cool that night. Because I'm cold natured and it's supposed to be on 70 at night. So just in case I got me a little warm number. And then the last thing I have is this skirt. Love this vacation skirt. It's so long. It goes all the way down. So girly. And then I have this Skims dupe bodysuit. Buttons at the bottom. And then I also have this other bodysuit just in case it goes better with it. This one is a spaghetti strap. And it's chocolate. So not sure which one I want to wear with this, so I'm just bringing them both just in case. And plus this one can be used as a swimsuit too, so just in case I want to be completely covered up, I just bring this and I can wear them both. I'll wear it with both. Then I got a hat just to go with the black and white pants. I'm not sure if this is going to be too matchy, but I brought it just in case. This is my Miami Beach hat. Plus I really wanted like a hat for when it's, you know, walking in the sun, just protect me a little bit more. And it's super cute, so definitely bringing my hat. And it fits on my head, so cute. And I also had to pick up my Adidas number. So just in case, you never know, I have my Adidas hat. And then I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff by taking the camera off. Then I also have my bonnets, because I'm gonna need those, some underclothes, obviously. And then here I just have this little makeup bag that I got from MAC. And then I just have all my toiletries. I have my little clip-on nails that I'm gonna put on. And yeah, all of the stuff that I just need. I have this from a long time ago, so I'm just gonna take my Agua de Jour and then just refill it for the trip. And then as far as my weight, I still have a little bit of that left. I like to mix the two, so that is perfect. Then I have some thyme in here. If you don't know what thyme is, it just stops you from itching. Like if you get a mosquito bite, it just gives you some relief. It's a plant. So I have some of that. Basically everything I need as toiletries. And then here I have my makeup. I have a light color, a dark color, winter color, summer color. Not sure which complexion I am right now, so I'm just bringing them both. Some powder, some lip numbers, and just everything I need. Sandals, flip flops, and then I have some beads for my hair just in case some of them come out. And then here I just have a little vacation bag that I got from thrift store like last year sometime that I never got to wear. I have one of my fun bags, and of course I have the bag that all my stuff will be in. Sip on codeine, I get no. And just like that, by rolling my clothes, I was able to fit all of the outfits on the first row of the bag. Push them down a little bit. Another little trick, I have a bonnet. So I just take all my underclothes and just stuff them inside of the bonnet. Flatten them up across. There's the second row. I'm gonna push this onto one side. And then just to create more room on this side. Would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for. Hey ladies, it's the next morning. I just have on this brown bodysuit with a little zipper on it. Then I found the thickest sweatpants I can find just because I've never been on a warm plane. And then I have my jacket because I don't go anywhere without a jacket. I know myself, I'm cold natured, so I have a jacket not just for the plane, but you just never know. So I picked up my jacket, and then I have that same bag you guys seen me pack last night. And I'm just going to put this around my shoulders, put this around my arm. I personally don't really care for bags holding it, but I didn't get a carry-on bag because I didn't want to pay $50 for it. So I just got a personal item. You know, bags like this, I usually do the roller bag, but I didn't pay for a carry-on bag because I was being cheap. So I just got a personal item. And this jacket I'll just have on, so this will just be my one personal item. And if you don't know, you can bring this as a personal item as long as it goes underneath the seat in front of you. You can bring it, which this one barely made it. So I got my bag, got my jacket, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the airport.